My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the MBA 4th semester subject Business Intelligence as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 2. First important. Short question is: define data warehousing, DWH. Data warehousing, DWH, means collecting and storing data from different sources in one central place so it can be used for reporting and analysis. It is like a digital storage room where all business data is kept safe, clean, and organized. For example, a bank collects data from ATMs, mobile apps, and branches. A data warehouse stores all this in one place so managers can easily check things like how many customers used online banking last month. The main aim of DWH is to help in business intelligence by giving accurate and fast reports. It supports better decision-making. Features of DWH: stores large data from many sources. Stores historical data, past data. Helps in data analysis and forecasting. Imagine it like a library. Instead of books, it has business data. Data warehousing is equal to all business data in one clean shelf, ready to help decisions. Next important short question is: 2. Define data mining. Define data mining. Data mining means finding useful patterns and hidden information from large amounts of data. It is like digging for gold in a mountain of data to find something valuable. For example, Amazon uses data mining to find out which products customers buy together. If many people buy a phone and a cover together, Amazon suggests the cover when someone buys a phone. This helps increase sales. Data mining is a part of business intelligence by it helps businesses understand what customers like, what products are trending, which customers may leave. It uses tools and techniques like classification, grouping items, clustering, finding similar items, prediction, guessing future trends. Think of it as a smart detective who looks at data and tells stories that help in better decisions. Data mining is equal to smart searching in data to find gold for your business. Next important short question is: 3. Data integration. Data integration means combining data from different sources into one single view so it becomes easy to understand and use. In business intelligence, it is the first step to prepare data for analysis. For example, a hospital has patient data in one system, billing info in another, and doctor schedules in a third system. Data integration brings all this data together so the hospital can see a full picture of each patient's journey. It helps in making better decisions with complete data, removing duplicate or missing information, saving time and improving accuracy. Common tools used for data integration are ETL, extract, transform, load, which means extract data from sources, transform it into proper format, load it into a central database like a data warehouse. Data integration is equal to bringing all your data friends into one room to talk clearly. Next important short question is: 4. Text mining. Text mining means finding useful information from unstructured text data like emails, reviews, tweets, or documents. It helps businesses understand what people are saying and how they feel. In business intelligence, text mining is used to analyze customer feedback, complaints, or product reviews to improve services. For example, A mobile company collects thousands of customer reviews. Text mining helps the company know that most people are unhappy with battery life, so they can work on improving it. Text mining tools look for keywords like bad battery or great camera, sentiments, positive or negative feelings, trends, what people are talking about most. It is useful in customer support, product improvement, market research. Think of it like a smart reader who reads tons of comments and tells you the main points. Text mining is equal to reading thousands of texts to find smart insights for your business. Next important short question is 5. Web mining. Web mining means using technology to find useful patterns and information from the internet, especially from websites, social media, and online searches. It helps businesses understand online behavior of customers. In business intelligence, by web mining is used to improve websites, target ads, and understand user interests. For example, Flipkart uses web mining to track what products users search, click, and buy. If many users are searching for wireless earphones, the website will promote those more. Web mining includes web content mining, studying text, images, videos on websites. Web structure mining, understanding how pages are linked. Web usage mining, analyzing user clicks, time spent, etc. It helps in online marketing, personalizing web content, improving customer experience. Think of it like a smart spy that watches online activity and gives useful business tips. Web mining is equal to watching what users do online to grow your business smartly. Next unit 2. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Types of data warehousing, DWH. In business intelligence, by a data warehouse, DWH, is a central place where data is stored for analysis and reporting. Based on business needs, there are 3 main types of data warehousing. 1. Enterprise Data Warehouse, EDW. This is the main and central warehouse for the entire organization. It stores all business data from various departments like sales, marketing, finance, HR, etc. It gives a complete and consistent view of the entire business. Example, a big company like Tata may use EDW to analyze company-wide performance across all departments. 2. Operational Data Store, ODS. ODS is used for real-time data and daily operations. It stores current, live data, not historical data. Useful for daily reporting and quick decisions. Example, a bank using ODS to check daily transactions or ATM withdrawals. 3. Data Mart. A small part of a data warehouse focused on a specific department or function. It is subject-oriented, like for sales, marketing, or HR only. Easier to manage and faster to access than EDW. Example, the marketing team uses a data mart to study campaign performance. Comparison table. Type use data type users. EDW full business analysis historical and current top management. ODS daily operations real-time data operational staff. Data mart department level analysis relevant data only specific teams. Easy trick to remember. EOD, EDW, ODS, Data Mart. E for enterprise is equal to big. O for operational is equal to live. D for department is equal to small. In simple words, the type of data warehouse depends on who needs the data and how they use it company-wide, department-wise, or real-time. Right data for the right user at the right time That's smart warehousing. Next important long question is 2. Data warehousing architecture. In business intelligence, by data warehousing architecture means the structure or design of how data flows from different sources into a data warehouse and how it is stored, managed, and used for reporting. Think of it like building a house for your data. It needs proper rooms, layers, furniture, tools, and doors, access to work smoothly. Main layers of data warehousing architecture. 1. Data source layer. Data comes from different sources like databases, Excel files, CRMs, etc. Example, sales data from billing software, customer data from website forms. 2. Data staging layer. This layer cleans, filters, and transforms data before storing it. It uses ETL, extract, transform, load, tools to prepare data. Example, removing duplicate customer names or correcting spelling mistakes. 3. Data storage layer, warehouse. Clean data is stored in the central data warehouse. It contains historical data, past data. For analysis. Example, a company stores 5 years of sales and inventory data. 4. Data presentation layer. This is where users can access and view the data using tools like reports, dashboards, and charts. Example, managers use Power BI to view monthly profit trends. 5. Metadata and management layer. Metadata means data about data like where it came from, when it was updated, etc. It helps manage and secure the data warehouse. Simple diagram. Data sources, ETL, staging, data warehouse, reports, dashboards. Benefits of architecture. Organizes data flow step by step. Improves data quality and speed. Makes reporting easy and accurate. Easy to remember. S staging, W warehouse, P presentation SWP, like a pipeline. In short, data warehousing architecture ensures your data is clean, safe, and ready to help in making smart business decisions. Strong architecture is equal to strong business intelligence. Next important long question is 3. Data mining functions. Data mining means finding hidden patterns, trends, and knowledge from large sets of data. In business intelligence, by data mining functions help companies make smart decisions using this discovered information. Here are the main functions of data mining explained simply. 1. Classification. This function groups data into categories. Example, a bank uses classification to decide whether a loan applicant is high risk or low risk based on income and credit score. 2. Clustering. It groups similar data items together without predefined labels. Example, an online store uses clustering to group customers with similar shopping habits. 3. Prediction. It uses past data to predict future outcomes. Example, a company predicts future sales based on past monthly sales data. 4. Association rules. It finds relationships between items in a dataset. Example, in a supermarket, if people buy bread, they often also buy butter. This helps in cross-selling. 5. Regression. It shows the relationship between two or more variables. Example, predicting house prices based on location, size, and number of rooms. 6. Sequential patterns. Finds patterns over time. Example, customers who buy a phone in January may buy a cover in February and earphones in March. Easy trick to remember. CCPARS. C. Classification. C. Clustering. P. Prediction. A. Association. R. Regression. S. Sequential patterns. Why these functions matter in BI. Helps in customer segmentation. Improves marketing strategies. Supports sales forecasting. Boosts business performance. In simple words, data mining functions act like expert detectives. They look into data, find secrets, and help companies grow. Data mining functions is equal to smart tools to convert raw data into business gold. Next important long question is 4. Explain various data mining techniques and tools. Data mining techniques and tools. In business intelligence, BI, data mining techniques are smart methods used to discover useful patterns and knowledge from big data. Tools are the software that help perform these techniques easily. Popular data mining techniques. 1. Classification. Sorts data into categories. Example, classifying loan applicants as eligible or not eligible. 2. Clustering. Groups similar data together without prelabels. Example, grouping customers based on buying behavior. 3. Regression. Shows relationships between variables and predicts values. Example, predicting house prices based on area and location. 4. Association rules. Finds links between items. Example, people who buy milk also buy bread. 5. Prediction. Uses past data to guess future trends. Example, predicting next month's sales. 6. Outlier detection. Identifies unusual data. Example, detecting fraud in bank transactions. Popular data mining tools. 1. Rapid Miner. Drag and drop tool, easy for beginners. Used for classification, clustering, and prediction. 2. Weka. Free tool for students. Supports all basic data mining functions. 3. Tableau. Mainly for visualizing data. Helps show mining results with charts and dashboards. 4. Python, with libraries like scikit-learn, pandas. Powerful for data mining through coding. Widely used by data analysts. 5. R programming. Another language used for statistical mining and data analysis. Easy trick to remember. See CRAPO for techniques. Classification, clustering, regression, association, prediction, outliers. WRTPR for tools. Weka, Rapid Miner, Tableau, Python, R. Why important in BI? Helps in better marketing, planning, fraud detection, and customer service. In simple words, data mining techniques are methods, and tools are helpers that make data smart and useful. Right technique plus right tool is equal to smart business decisions. Important long question is 5. Data mining applications. Data mining is used in many industries to turn big data into useful knowledge. In business intelligence, BI, it helps businesses make better decisions, save money, and understand customers better. Let's look at the top applications of data mining with simple examples. 1. Retail and e-commerce. Use understand customer buying behavior. Example, Amazon uses data mining to suggest products like customers who bought this also bought. Helps in cross-selling and upselling. 2. Banking and finance. Use detect fraud and assess credit risk. Example, banks use data mining to find suspicious transactions and decide whether to approve a loan. Helps in fraud detection and risk management. 3. Healthcare. Use diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. Example, hospitals analyze patient data to predict chances of heart disease. Helps in improving patient care and reducing costs. 4. Education. Use. Analyze student performance and dropout risks. Example, universities use data mining to identify students who may need extra support. Helps in improving learning outcomes. 5. Telecommunications. Use, understand user behavior and reduce churn. Example, Airtel uses data mining to predict which users may stop using the service. Helps in customer retention. 6. Manufacturing. Use, predict equipment failure and improve product quality. Example, factories use sensors and data to plan timely maintenance. Helps in reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Easy trick to remember. RBHETM. Retail, banking, healthcare, education, telecom, manufacturing. Why important in BI? Data mining applications help in forecasting, planning, decision-making, and customer satisfaction. In simple words, data mining turns raw data into smart action across different fields. From stores to hospitals, data mining is everywhere, making life smarter.